To redeem Fashionnova gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your web application and at the top search bar type in fashionnova.com. Make sure to get logged into your Fashionnova account and let's go ahead and shop anything. To redeem your code, first of all, you have to purchase an item. So let's go ahead onto sales section. Then tap on to checkout or cart. Move on to next page. Here you will see proceed to checkout. Select your item and tap on proceed to checkout. And under this page, make sure that you enter all your delivery address correctly. Select your payment method. Scroll below and under order summary, you will see discount code or gift card. Now this is the place where you have to enter your gift code or your promo code. Once done, tap on to apply, then tap on pay now. And if your code is valid, you will be able to redeem it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.